Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by feeding one clear image and your reference words into Pics Words. You want high contrast subjects so the model reads details. Once uploaded, pick the output mode, captions for summaries, keywords for tags, or filled prompts for creative text, and set length and tone. Make sure to include 1-3 example captions so the system learns your style, and select language and formatting. This initial configuration speeds up accurate results and reduces back-and-forth edits. Now refine generation settings to shape how Pics Words writes. Lower temperature yields factual, concise outputs. Higher produces creative variations. Experiment between 0, 2 and 0, 8. Add constraints like max tokens, forbidden words, or required phrases so results match policy and brand voice. Once done, run an initial pass, review outputs, and use what works. Copy a strong line into the prompt as an anchor. Make sure to iterate. Each pass converges faster when you narrow examples and constraints. Finish by selecting your export format, JSON or CSV for pipelines, plain text for quick use, and include metadata like image, ID, and prompt. Do a quick QA for factual accuracy, tone, and any sensitive content, and correct small errors manually. If output is off, first adjust temperature and constraints, then provide clearer example captions or crop the image to remove distracting elements. If problems persist, reduce scope to one focal object and rerun. This usually resolves confusion and tightens results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.